Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles south of Chilmark, or 11 miles southeast of Akrina, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near West Tisbury around 1:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Edgertown and Tisbury around 1:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Oak Bluffs around 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Well, I got the tornado warning, which I'm sure the guys on the TV are having fun with that. But I'm off to bed.